Hi guys, it's your better speech on the internet in this period. So today I am not alone. I am with Sissy Patimba. Sissy Patimba. Okay. Hey guys, but anyways, we're going to do a Q&A. We got the questions over here, and the questions were written by our friends. So yeah, let's start. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna start. I'm gonna take one piece of paper, then read the question. Basically, I'm asking her the question. So yeah, let's start. First question. What is the best memory?
What is my best memory?
Yes.
Like with anyone?
Memory is the best one.
Yo. Man. So. Best memory? I don't have best memories. Adala.
I'm happy like you think what's this?
This is ngiyadinga ngoba nginaphi yadla maningi kanje isho nje wena ukuthi mhlambe noma nobani.
Okay, with your friend.
With your friend?
Yeah.
Which friend? Because I've got many friends.
Me.
Throw that ass, you know you a hoe.
Best memory. Sama nalo. Sayemona. Fela phusa siyahle. Etafuleni. Fela phusa siyahle etafuleni. Umuntu ngiyasibona straw lesi asingayona i-plastic kanje lesi siyiphepha kodwa i-straw angithi uma usifaka kanje lesa straw usushiya phakathi mase siyasamagwebu athi kanje i-drink yagcwala itafula lonke engithi hamba ucela indwangu engithi hamba ucela indasho engizahamba ucela indwangu umuntu agcina indwangu wathatha iserviette yakhe wathatha eyami wathatha iyasiswakhe sesimphathele siswakhe siyasiswakhe waze wafika lokhu nje sikulindile wathatha ngisho nayo leyo serviette yalo lokunye ukudla wakho indwangu.
Okay, move on.
Athi ngeke ngiphinde ona ngepede yami. Hayi sister.
Oh yeah.
They were down without
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngisha.
Cha ngibuzana nje.
Ngiyabuzana. Okay, tak.
Ngom. Mana?
Scared girl to touch.
People go like that. Whoa.
I like that. Whoa.
Me and you.
Hey. Yeah.
Okay. Hayibo apha ncane nje la.
Angithi ngasike kambi. Iyaqala izoqhudelela.
Ngisobuka.
Ngiyamisana.
Have you finger fucked with someone and wait, tell us how you felt about it.
Mina.
Wait.
No.
Okay.
Me.
Okay.
No.
I was gonna any question, but this wasn't for you. Anyway.
It's not for me.
Kana le question. Uba vele bhale le question.
Ugwa.
Yimbi. Sithatheni.
Ifani nyazi wayo. Kodwa kwa. Guys, these questions are written by.
Oh, if you have to describe me in 5 words or less, what will you say?
5 words.
Nonchalant. Okay.
Nonchalant. Nonchalant,
1.
funny, best friend, love.
Okay. Turn your command.
Yeah, pap. No change up in 5 words. Nonchalant, ugly, disgusting, motherfucker, asshole. Ngada. Do you both okay? So do you both believe you choose one another in a room with your 5 favorite people?
Yes.
Yes. Fuck these hoes. That's it. What basically about who? Miss Lan. Okay, it's in it's about tonight. If you guys will be left alone for 60 days, do you think your friendship would grow stronger or will it be pep? Or will it be yeah, cool pencil. or will it be weaker?
Stronger.
60 days.
Stronger.
Ngingambona ekaka, ngingambona ekhama, ngingambona
Stronger.
enqona. I think it would become very
Stronger.
weaker.
Stronger.
No. I think yeah, it should be strong because I think we will share. Is it as I shared it before? Yeah, I think we become strong. Such a joke. Stronger.
What is the best thing we ever? Hi, don't location.
We ever
We
done.
ever
We
together.
ever do.
We ever do.
English. What's the best
Something
thing?
special.
What's the best thing? Oh,
You've ever done
ever done together something special?
something special. We play games.
Yeah, I think the best thing is we do together, we listen to music. Yeah. We have the same
taste.
yes. We are depressed babies. Yeah, so yeah. We do every young Christians are special. Wonke into basazi nathi.
Yes. Habe kumbuka ukuthi nje lesake mina eqesha. Ngifuna futhi lelo qeshi. Ngathi mina ngifuna eqeshini. Alexa, yeah, what about you? Okay. You believe in yourselves and your ability to manage, trust, love, and care for one another.
As friends, of course.
Oh. How man going to be so down?
Are you stupid? Are you
What a
dumb?
man?
Do you
You
need
believe in
help?
yourselves and your ability? Yes, we do.
Yes, we love each other. We trust one another. Yeah.
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 Ngiyaphinda futhi phela beka umuntu awethu nje. Ngifuna uzimtholo wakho wedwa. Ngeke phela. Ngale bancane ave bejuice. Hi. Have you seen each other naked? No.
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 Never.
No. Awusazi abantu
But we have too much baby strong.
Udlala ngani guys? Alright. Siqhubeke. What kind of sex style do you want to experience? Ungwalo Balombos. Alright.
Me.
Sex style.
I want you to look me in a corner. Okay guys, listen. My mom watches these things. My brothers, my sisters, my uncles, my mothers, my fathers. To watch this thing. How long is your friendship? In 3, 2, 1, 4 years.
How? Mula nam ngat. 4 years. Good people. 4 years. 4 years this year.
Yes, 4 years and going
It's
stronger.
the 4th year.
We met in 2022 and it was let's go.
We met in high school.
In March. I remember very
March
well.
what?
It was March something.
Yeah,
we
I'm not complete
we
now.
were writing exams, but it was March.
We met.
We met and yo.
yonke leyo methi leyo nginqaxwa sasidakiwe omunye adakaza agibele esihlahleni lo
hayi that's when
hayi bo wena wayethatha manje futhi
ibengazi ngiyathatha
awu
cha unamangalo lapho sesikhulumisane khasiphuza kodwa like
Ngaphuza kanjani?
hlangana it was in March sahlaliswe umuntu futhi uthi ngeke ngimushe
ubala leso sihlefuklefu leso ngindaba ngimsamo yangenje
who is your crush someone you know akanayo
No, I don't have a crush.
thatha
My
shot
crush is my man.
period and
Period.
his man is my sneaky link.
How do you ever feel? Honey, when you're alone, what do you do? However, oh,
Anything fun?
ku crush you. Do you ever feel? Honey, when you're alone, what do you do?
Guys, I never get horny. I am a very innocent child.
You ever sucked and
Yo.
hey bo. You, what a juicy one, Nick. Okay, Simba. Yes. How many men have you dated or kissed?
Okay.
Many. Ngiyomphendulela mina. Many of them. Abanye angenikholwe nokuthi
before I sengajola ngingaba amagama
ngisabazi kabani
7
hayi kodwa hayi ke
Kodwa
yabo
wena
kissed
liyakhithi
more than 7 nama boyfriends
Guys.
nama boyfriends
ngakhisa abantu abawu7 ama boyfriends namine I used to have sneaky links so yeah namantombazane
namadodana ayamazi uJohn
nobaba Sipho
ngicanyile nsona nje Mifuthi thathu ke ngihlanyele
kodwa ngama ex mama jawu kanye ex i-X5 into yangempela we ngizibhamile describe me as one song.
Nthombo Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather. Birds of a feather. Ngidla.
My ex habayas.
Birds of a feather. We just
Maybe copyrighted when. Yeah, guys.
Then I wasn't better.
I think that is like our. If you have to describe our friendship as a song, it would
Birds
be
of
Birds
a
of a Feather.
feather. We just I wasn't better. Okay, let's go.
Thank you very much, Mr. Delivery.
Voilà, unya. Sharp.
Baku bisa cuma.
What made you choose each other as friends?
Oh, this is so sweet. So guys, I was at my lowest. Then we see Paul.
Ooh. Yadlala.
Siya kumain na nenda.
Yadlala.
So guys,
Sombi. Athi ngiselile video ukuze azobona.
yeah, I was at my lowest. Well, ngiphetha ngento eyodwa. Then
Then I was at my highest. Ngimthatha
okay.
hey!
It's like okay, usipho ngamthetho umngane wami after kokishonile, you know. So ekhathi ngibona Sipho, I feel like uNkulunkulu ngizenzela usipho. That's what I can say. It sounds very weird, but to me it makes sense. Yeah. So I think uNkulunkulu angithumela yena, then we became friends.
Oh,
And-
he got sense.
How such in a sense, man. Do you have a favorite song you both like? Okay, Italy.
Birds of a feather.
If yes, which one?
Birds of a feather. We
Ngoma sokuthi
just
sisandane?
together.
Before the song.
Before. Yep, can't. Hostage.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hostage.
Hostage. I think yeah, it's a hostage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hostage.
Kodwa manje, birds of a feather.
Yeah, better.
Choose between me.
And your mom. Lo bhalele the question range. So for. How do you know that you guys ain't okay? You ain't lo? Ain't okay with each other. We are not okay. We've never been not okay with each other.
Oh, like as one.
Hey,
Oh, no. Like Sipho into my into I'm just no this and this and that and that. See,
this is wrong, bitch.
Yeah, fast. Ngabe sesozibelana-ke manje sesozibana.
Ngathi
Fanele ngikubuze ukuthi ngenzeni.
Kanjani ngisho?
Ngiyabona umuntu ngiyabona uma usikheke ngishontela ngisho Sipho ngiyasho ukuthi wala ngiyasho siyaya this and that. Fast awuse sengizomziba ngoba nayo angizibi.
Badala kakhulu.
Ngakho ama friendship enefela kanje na.
Ngoba nje.
Buisa ke please.
Awu izokugcina ke lo.
Hayi bide.
Ngiyade ngizoqala. What is your biggest secret? Chom, what is your biggest secret?
That I am 6 months pregnant. Right, Dad?
All of us can see that anyway. Okay.
Anginayo secrets.
Ngikwazi ukuzwa pha.
Enkulu. Mina na invade privacy yami laba sesikoleni.
My fake friends akakudala.
Yeah.
Babala, babala pha.
Ngababala phela. Basipasa. Kodwa let us be nice and kind and very demure.
Yes.
Okay. What kind of men do you prefer? In details. Sekalile. Nazi ngamjabulisa ngathi amadoda.
Number 1. Umzulu. Uzana masikushumeni. Hey, what's up, babe? No.
Oh, usukudla uzana school. Okay.
Number 1. Umzulu. Sandoda umzulu mnandi. Aqina ulimi loteni. Yeah. Number 2. Light skinned. Angathanda umuntu omnyama?
No.
No. Light skinned. Indoda enhle. Light skinned. Light skinned. Number 3. Clean. Number 4. Yeah. Number 4. What kind of man do you prefer?
Yeah, sister.
Indoda engahambi iphosta namantombazana. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Chomi. Intombazana uposta. Mina ngibaposta abafana ngithi happy birthday kubafana.
Posta ngaphela.
Yeah, ngiposta uChomi kuphela. Bafana ngibaposta uChomi. Nobhuti bami. Le uthi umngani wami omunye umngani wami ayisho umngani wami nje some random mngani. Ngithi no, angifuni leyo nto. Yeah, segrasi sidlule. Ungaze ngichaze kakhulu.
Sichaza kakhulu paragraph yombo phela abafana bathana.
Ngachaza ukuze kuze kube kusasa. Ngaza. Ngiyafunda.
Mase ngamnyama kodwa.
Waze wangi uzodwa lo kasike sawuphendula.
Funny.
What is the best memory you have about your friendship? What am that the bala okay. The greatest memory. Suphendulile ngibona.
Mina ngiphendula nganguphendulile.
Suphendulile.
Wena uphendule ikhasi semoya mina yami ngakuphendula. So
Okay.
let me answer your question.
Okay.
Best memory of each other was when which markets maningi yonke ithi nisenza i-special
Yeah.
ayikho nje into
Aduleni.
ebhedayo.
Ask only one question that you've been craving to ask me. Hayada shamathi ngwaje nami lamuhlaka manje ngiyophendula sengasekho.
Have you ever had feelings for Aya?
No. No, she knows that. Not even a spark.
Wawenzani Aya?
Isidlala.
Kodwa
Peer
mayengahlali.
pressure. Yena bayingolami. Yebo mina ngingaqala phambi kwakho aya. Ngingaqala noEdike mina phambi aya. Wakhala aya isonto lonke. Wakhala isonto lonke angiyintombi yami njana aya. Ifuna dance college. Ezazo2
Angakhulumi nje.
amahlanganisa.
Peer pressure sure. Kungaphansi.
Awakwazi konke lokho. Abo bayibhora futhi. Another thing.
Okay, guys. No.
Yeah.
Ngihamba ngisho
Anganawo ama feelings for you. Angishe yodwa.
Get you.
Not even.
Okay. Someone naked or make love naked with a nigger.
Oh yes.
And who?
Yes. Of course.
I kissed someone naked or make
Yes.
love.
Yes.
Make love. Do you know make love? It's sex.
I've never
Never.
made love. And
Kiss
what is to
someone
make love?
naked.
Yes, I've kissed someone naked.
Like a crochet aunt.
No, why really?
So I can be like.
Yes.
What's that? Look
It was half naked.
Invasion of privacy. Like my questions.
Hello. How do you feel when there's a third person around you too? Plus, simtreater. Buza wena ba?
Alright, I'll pay you. Go back. What's them?
Phela simtreater as one of us. But
Some share with the
yeah.
My fingers think I could.
Sondela phelela ngenguzuzove.
Okay, guys, we are back. We had some technical difficulties.
Sengithule ngaze ngikhingce isosi nami. Ngize ngikhathi.
Oh, shucks. Who is the disciplined one?
Ndim. Amen.
Yeah, I mean, please. Sisipo is very classy, and I am very ghetto. I would twerk in the mall, anytime, any day, anywhere. And Sisipo will say, "Luandile, stop.
Do you have an inside joke?
Luandile, stop.
Do you have an inside joke?
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who's there?
Who's there?
None of your business.
Throw that ass, you know you a hoe. Up and down.
What is my favorite food?
Your favorite food?
Yes.
Oh, jeez.
lapho kupheke wona namhlanje Sipho Miss Birthday-kazi.
I'm from the city where the streets ain't pretty. Upper locker where the goons get it poppy.
Yeah. Ebe. Yathoka manje ne drink yami. Uthi manje akusana. Ngifuna ukuyizwa. Kakusakuse futhi. Futhi sengoniwe ke mina. Hawu kwavala secret wodwa manje.
Kuzobe hamisha sizo big secret. Avasiye yazi nama secret tena.
What's keeping it together? What's keeping us together?
Buze wena.
Hawu mina nje umbuza wena. What's keeping us together?
What is keeping you to? Isibuzo about two.
What's keeping us together? Sibuza about two.
Trust,
Yes.
loyalty.
Love.
Yes.
Yes.
Asithathe amadoda abantu njengani.
Asithathelana
Ahlebani. Mathi uThoma Love mesengiyohleba ngaye, angihambe nje business yakhe kwabanye abantu, mathi ngizona nabo kodwa ngitshela business yami. Business asipho komunye umuntu. What is my favorite artist? Besides Billie Eilish.
Besides
Billie Eilish.
ngazi ubheka
Besides Billie Eilish, she's a rapper.
Ngikhuluma ngathi.
Yes!
Kade ngicabangile bathi beke singiro.
Besides Nicki Minaj, woman. Why ujayi ukuphufla picture? Doja Cat. Besides Doja Cat,
Ngidalelwa.
guys, my top 3 artists: Nicki Minaj, Billie Eilish, Doja Cat. But I love Billie Eilish mostly.
Lo secrets aduphuma la.
Oh.
What would you feel? Wow, what would you do if one of you were to reveal your secrets?
Support. Ngihleka. Tom,
Umhleka umuntu umhleka emva kwendaba, hayi ukuthi umhleke esayisho. Okay?
Tom pregnant. I'll support her. Kodwa after second update ngizomkhetha ikani nawe Tom. Hayi nayi Tom wami ithaki nawe.
Ngithembile o. Awamithaki.
Choose between me, Xander, and Lihle.
Lu.
Oh, yes, okay. Let me make it spice. Choose between Xander and Lihle.
Xander and Lihle.
Why?
Because she's my friend. Like,
okay.
She's so supportive.
Yeah, we
Futhi uya-advise-ana ngezinto ezi-right. Do you trust each other?
She's very smart.
Do you trust each other? Yes.
If there's no trust, there's no friendship.
Umbuzo yenu. Yeah.
Buka.
Buka bengithi ngifuna ukuyilasa akwekamera.
Who is more open between you two?
Angekho open mina.
It's me. Sipho manje looking mhlawumbe khona into engcilile namhlanje ngizomtest. Ngizele i-message. Sipho ngicasuke ekhaya benze lokhu nalokhu. Uwazi yonke into. I am more very open when I trust someone. So Sipho is the number 1 person engitshela yonke into. Like into engicilile ngizomtshela. Athi awuthome. Ubaye ungababulali.
Awusathi ubaxolela Thu. Okay. Do you have secrets one of you doesn't know? Doesn't know. Secrets. No, I don't have secrets.
Mina I do have.
You do have secrets?
Ungayazi wena.
Lula.
Chomi. Malanga vele. Last question. Okay. Is there anyone who can separate us?
No.
Sebazi.
Bahlezi bezama
Ngizosho amagama. Sebazama bazobahluleka. Abeza abanye ngoba nami ngazibahlulekile. Abeza abantu abastronga.
Yeah. Ufuna
Hey
abastrong.
sebazama. Hey, bazama baposta bachaza uzoshintsha i-friendship. Kanti no, I am here. Idlodla ihambe.
Ney'phashela nje.
So anyways guys, thank you for watching.
Avuka uphoqa shame.
Peace out. Mwah. Yeah.